The interaction between the consumer and our technician is much improved with the Newfie. We can give the consumer peace of mind that we know what we're talking about. It has definitely helped our first-time completes with using the Newfie, and I would say it takes an average technician and makes them a superior technician.
Having this technology in order to be able to diagnose the product gives the consumer faith in our service techs, and they look a little bit more professional and not just diagnosing something with the hope that it is actually that problem. There's kind of proof and data to support it.
Getting on the Newfie tells them that the temperatures aren't correct, doors been left open, or other things that are going on that cannot find by putting a meter on the appliance. Historically speaking, with GE, they stand behind their out-of-warranty appliance better than any manufacturer that I've ever dealt with. In fact, they do a lot of things that personally I may not have done for the customer. With GE developing this Newfie tool is a great example of how they're helping us stand behind our products and be able to not only quickly but very efficiently get the customer back up and running, and they come back looking for more of the GE appliances.